13 is a GCF, greatest common factor, to which set of numbers? Okay, so let us get the GCF of each of these numbers. So which of this set has a GCF of 13? Okay, so for letter A, the GCF of letter A is 26 because 52 can be written as 26 times 2. So therefore, the GCF of letter A is 26 and not 13. Okay, so for letter B, so we have 26 and 78. 78 can be written as 26 times 3. So therefore, they both have 26. So again, 26 is the GCF of 26 and 78. Okay, so this is not the answer. For letter C, we have 39 and 52. 39 can be written as 13 times 3, and then 52 can be written as 13 times 4. So therefore, the GCF of 39 and 52, greatest common factor, is 13. So the correct answer for this is letter C. So let's just prove that letter D. For letter D, 39 and 108, 108 is not divisible by 13. So therefore, 108, the next divisible of 13 is 52 plus 52, that is 104. So definitely 13 is not, since 108 is not divisible by 13, so this cannot be the correct answer. So the correct answer is letter C. So follow me for more content like this.